What is the role of PMI certifications in your Agile career growth or in your Agile career path? Hello, everyone. This is Karen Fomafung, your business agility, AI, and career coach. I am also the founder of Being Agile Consulting, where we help people succeed in their tech corporate Agile career. In today's video, we're going to be deep diving into something so many people have been asking me recently, especially in this year 2025, which is what is the role of PMI certification in your Agile career? If this is your first time here, please stay tuned by turning on that subscription button and the notification bell so that you will stay in touch with what we do here on weekly basis. If you're a returning subscriber and a returning viewer, to show that you appreciate our work over the years, you appreciate our content, we are not asking for too much, go ahead, share this video with your friends, your community, so that we all can continuously learn and thrive together. Now let's go straight into the topic. What is the role of PMI certifications in your Agile career growth or in your Agile career path? When I say this, I am thinking of two certifications out of the many different PMI certifications. And I'm talking about these because these are the specific ones so many people have been asking me about, which is the PM certification, that is the Project Management Professional Certification, and the PMI ACP certification. Those would be the two that I'll be narrowing down on as I talk through this video. Have you ever wondered if PMI certifications can help you or can be valuable in your management career, whether as a project manager, a Scrum Master, an Agile Coach, a product owner, a program manager, what name, just keep naming. Have you ever wondered if any of the PMI certifications can help you or can be valuable in your career? Let's break it down. For those who have been following me a couple of years ago, you can attest that I have constantly said, if you've been pursuing the path of an Agile certification, you really don't need any PMI certification from a need perspective. And that was like a couple of years ago. However, given that the market has shifted over the years, especially in 2025, and if you all may be aware, PMI just signed a partnership with Agile Alliance on the 27th of January this year. And as a result of that, we also have to make that adjustment to adapt to market needs. So that being said, now that we are in 2025 and in this new reality, I would say yes. If you've been thinking of going for a PMI certification, like to be specific PMP, I would say go for it. Because there are different reasons that I'm going to be highlighting why I think it's very important in this era that even though you have some Agile certifications, you should also go for a PMP certification. So, another question that I've been getting is, should I go for a PMI certification or an Agile certification? Well, my answer to this question is you should go for PMI certification and Agile certifications. So for me, Agile certifications should come first, and then you add PMI certifications, specifically PM to it. That is if you're looking to, as a Scrum Master, project manager, Agile manager, in this category, you should be going for a PMP and an Agile certification. Why am I saying this? The main reason why I am saying this is what I just highlighted earlier. The market has shifted. And just like we say in business agility, adaptation, we also have to adapt to the constant changing needs of the market. So, first of all, if you're already certified, if you already hold some different Agile certifications and you've been really contemplating of going for PMP, I would say yes, go for it. The second reason is because PMP is recognized worldwide as well. The different PMI certifications like PMP, ACP, they are recognized worldwide. And we know that PMI certifications have been existing for years today. So they've already established a solid credibility in the market. So having a PMI like PME, PMP, it will boost your career portfolio, and employers will understand, will see you as you don't only that you understand how to integrate business agility and the waterfall style, which is what we call the hybrid approach. And most of the time, I would say one of my winning factors in the market has been, I hardly go for any interview and I don't get the job. If I'm not getting a job for any interview, it's because I chose not to put that level of seriousness into it, because I am not thinking of taking that job. Maybe I have another option. But if I really mean it, I would definitely get the offer. And one of my selling point has been because I understand both sides of the world. I understand the world of the waterfall world, as well as I also have a solid understanding of the agile world. So employers usually see me as a strong asset as I'm able to integrate both worlds. You see, and as a result of that, they are able to, and most organizations, I would say 99% of organizations are mostly transitioning from waterfall into the agile space. So they would typically prefer someone that has a solid understanding of the waterfall space, so that they'll know where they are coming, where they are going to, as opposed to someone who only understands where they are going to but don't understand where they are coming from, if that makes sense. So that is another reason why I think it is very valid and valuable for you to go for a PMI certification like PMP. Now, what does PMI certification such as PMP bring to the table? You just going through that training, the process to get that certification, to be honest with you, I'm just speaking from my experience going through it. It wasn't easy. It takes deep learning and mastery and memorization of so many things before you're able to pass that exams. So what does it really bring to the table? You going through that learning will give you the ability to cover the area of the triple constraints. And when I say the triple constraints, what am I referring to? I'm referring to cost, I'm referring to scope, and then I'm also referring to time. You see, these are the triple constraints. And employers in this day and age, given this partnership that they've signed, the Agile Alliance signing a partnership with PMI Institute, they prefer someone that has that understanding of the triple constraint. They prefer an Agile practitioner that has the understanding of the triple constraint. You see, which is why most roles have now been adapted to, I'm talking about most Scrum Master jobs. If you go look it up, you can check it, you can validate what I'm saying online. Go to Google, go to LinkedIn. They now call most of these roles Agile Project Managers. That's what most of these roles are now called. And sometimes they used to call that Agile Project Managers, and then they're actually looking for Scrum Masters. But in this day and age, organizations have really understood what Agile is, the skills that are required for them to succeed in an Agile space. And they are looking for someone that have an additional arm, that is a triple constraint arm, that is able to cover that skill need in the organization, as well as cover the role that a Scrum Master would typically play. You see, so they've merged that into one role. So you should be competent in serving in the area of the triple constraints, as well as covering the area of what a standard Scrum Master will do. You see, so that is why I would strongly suggest that if you've been contemplating on taking this certification, please go ahead and take it. And remember, I'm saying that it's not a PMP or an Agile certification or only PMP. No, it has to be an Agile. You need to be grounded in the Agile ways of working, the mindset and the frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and then you also want to add the PMP, which will cover the arm of the triple constraints. That will be a big plus on your resume and on your skill set. And one thing too, if you have a PMI certification on your resume, employers love it, because over the years, PMI have established a solid benchmark for quality. They are known for quality. That's why their exams are so complex. That's why to go through their exams, it's not easy, to be honest with you. So having that alone would already tell employers that you are a quality candidate. You see, yes, that's why I would definitely suggest you go that route and earn that certification, because their process is very, and which is why they have a strong accreditation. So another question that I typically get is, how do I get started, even if I'm interested in taking it? You can look it up on Google. There are many providers, or you go to PMI site. There are many providers of the certification. Or if you are not sure which one to select, I have providers that I have worked with, that I am partnering with through Being Agile Consulting, and I can attest that their services are amazing. Reach out beingagileconsulting.com. That's our website, or email us at info@beingagileconsulting.com, or give us a call, send us a text message, whatever works for you. And I will be myself, I would personally be very happy to recommend someone that will definitely help you do a quality training and earning that certification and passing just once. I only did it once and I passed with flying colors. So I prefer working smart as opposed to working hard, really. That's just my agile mind. So yes, reach out and I would help you, connect you. I'll give you the connection. To sum it all up, employers prefer someone that has agile certification, like a Scrum Master certification, an Agile Coach certification, a PO certification, and a PMI certification such as PMP. Because they know that you will be able to bridge that gap between waterfall project management and the agile ways of working smoothly and successfully. If you're just getting started, you have no clue what I'm talking about, but you pick some interest in working in the tech corporate space or in the corporate space, either as a Scrum Master, an Agile Coach, a project manager, a program manager, a release train engineer, all of that, we can help you through Being Agile Consulting. We help you start from scratch through our level 1 program. We train you, providing a customized materials where you will not only be eligible to earn a certification, but you would have a solid understanding and a solid foundation of the concept. And once that is done, we don't just leave you hanging, which is the problem that most people are facing. They have a certification, but they don't know what to move forward. We have a wonderful program we call the Level 2 program, which is for mentorship and coaching for those that are looking to bridge the gap between certification and landing a job. That's the point. If you're looking to land a job, we can help you through our Level 2 program. We have upcoming classes. You can join on any Monday or Wednesday. Anybody that has gone through our program, they can attest. We don't even share 1% of the results that we've achieved in our program so far. There's no way you come in our program and you leave the program and stay the same. There is just no way. It's not possible. I haven't seen that happen. Even for nothing, your mindset will transform and you will win in every other area of your life. So reach out and we'll provide more information, and from there you can make your decision. If you're already in the corporate space, you're already doing the job, yet you want to thrive, you want to stand out in your organization, or you want guidance towards career growth, reach out to us through our Level 3 program that is specifically for those that are already working but need expert guidance and mentorship so that they are succeeding and continuously thrive. We will help you through our Level 3 program. If you are looking for experience to pivot or grow from being a Scrum Master to an Agile Coach, we have a wonderful program that is tailored for Agile coaches that are looking to gain hands-on experience and land their first senior Agile coaching role. Reach out to us and we will help you through our Agile Coaches mentoring and mastery program to be able to achieve this dream. It is very possible. My whole intention is to duplicate many of people that are even way better than me, which is why we are doing what we are doing. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, the comment section is there for that reason. Drop your questions, drop your thoughts, drop your own experience, and let us continue to grow and thrive together in this corporate space. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.